Check out
Hey,
Roblox.
Coach,
Yes.
252.44% this year realized profit.
Wow.
Total account.
Holy crap. Nice job, man. That is beautiful. Holy
Thank you.
Nikes. Who would like to 250% your account since this year?
Me.
That is beautiful. I love it. Love the success stories we're getting in here. You guys are making dreams a reality every single day. You're showing up.
I don't think you hear half of them, Coach.
Oh, I don't. Yeah, not even. I don't listen. I don't hear more than 2% of them, right? If only there were one place that would have told you about Meta in the pre-market that I told you to specifically watch for today, right?
And if you told us about backups.
Could you imagine? Yeah, exactly.
I mean, Coach, really, if it didn't have Robinhood, I made $6,600 jumping over to Robinhood. Thank you.
Yeah, that's awesome. Nice work.